In this video, I'm going to be installing a set of LED fog lights in my 2017 Toyota 4Runner. This video installation is going to be applicable for all 5th generation 4Runners from the 2010 to present 2020 model year. Now, the stock fog lights that you get on your 4Runner are halogen bulbs, and so they've got kind of this yellowish light to them, and the light output isn't all that good. One of the great things about upgrading to an LED light bulb is that they're a lot brighter. But the other thing that people don't realize is that they also offer a much better quality of light. And so with this yellowish light, when it's lighting up the objects at night or when there's fog, it's going to kind of cast a yellow hue on everything. When you've got an LED bulb in there, it offers more of a daylighting solution. And so it feels a little bit more like you're driving during daytime hours than having that yellowish light on everything. Now, I've already installed the LED bulb that we're going to be putting on the passenger side here on the driver's side for comparison. In comparison, you can see that it's a lot brighter, and again, it has more of that whitish, bluish light than that yellowish tone that we get over on the passenger side. This is the product we'll be installing in today's video. It's an Oxbeam product. On the back side, you'll see that it is a pure white 6500K light, giving you that sunlight appearance. Very simple installation, so it's direct plug and play, no additional relay wiring or other items needed to avoid any error codes in the vehicle, and then 50,000 hours. So that's one of the great things about LEDs is that they last for a really long time, so replacement isn't quite as frequent as with halogens. This product is currently $71 on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description below. See on the left side here that we've got our stock halogen bulb, and then on the right hand side here we've got the new Oxbeam bulb that we're going to be installing. So looks pretty fancy. Won't really get to appreciate that red aluminum once it's installed, but it does look pretty cool during the installation process. See that it's a fan design. It's one downside of this product is that it's a little bit noisy, but again, since it's on the outside of the vehicle, you're not really going to hear it when it's operating. And then you'll see that the wiring's also a little bit bulky with the product. But as I mentioned, it's that plug and play solution. So looking at this connection versus the bulb that we took out, same connection, so it makes it super easy to install. Here's a quick side-by-side comparison of the Oxbeam LED fog light and the OEM halogen bulb. You will hear that little humming sound that's coming from the fan in the Oxbeam bulb. And one thing I'm not crazy about with this style of design, but obviously when you're in the vehicle you're not going to hear that, and it does offer a pretty nice light output. See on the wall the light profile for the LED bulb, and then you can see over on the passenger side for the halogen. So you'll see that the LED again is a lot brighter than what we get with the halogen. So I found that it was difficult to try to film on the passenger side, so I reinstalled the driver's side so I could show you what it looks like. Passenger side's not necessarily hard, it's just difficult to film because there's a little plastic cover that's covering this whole enclosure. So this is the fog light right here. You see this wire that's coming in. First step is that we need to disconnect that wire, and in order to do that, there's a little piece right here that you just push on, a little plastic piece that pushes in, and then you unclick it. Okay. So here's an up close look at that. So you just push on this piece right here and pull it out. Once that's out, then we're just gonna pull on hold the fixture and just turn it slightly counterclockwise, and then it pulls right out. You'll see that we've got a couple little slots right in there that line up with these silver pieces on the perimeter. So those basically line up with the holes, and then it twists. So all you've got to do is turn it counterclockwise to pull that out. And then the great thing is that when we pull out the old fixture and compare it with the new one, you'll see that on the new fixture, it's got these little plastic pieces on the perimeter that match the design of the old fixture. So we'll just bring the new fixture, line it up with those same holes, twist it clockwise, and now it's clicked in place. Take the connection here, and connect those two together, and it's installed. With the skid plate reinstalled, the installation is now complete, and you'll see that with these new LED fog lights, It's got a much brighter appearance and more of that white daylight tone than the old yellow halogen bulbs that came stock on the vehicle. If you have any comments or questions on the installation, leave them in the section below. For more videos of the 5th generation 4Runner, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.